Today we will learn about MySQL commands, especially select command and its various clauses. So first we'll open XAMPP control panel. After opening that, we'll start Apache and MySQL. Then we'll open the admin of MySQL. So phpMyAdmin will open. So before starting the commands, I want that you should know about basic functions. So these functions are used in database. So average function here returns the average value, count returns the number of rows, first returns the first value, last the last, max returns the largest value in the field that you have chosen to, minimum returns the smallest value, and sum returns the sum of all the entities in a particular column. So now let's move to the command section. We'll use already existing database employer. So you can see the structure here. It has one table employee and the fields are these: customer ID, customer name, employee, annual salary, city and country. So select command is used to retrieve data from the database. So if we use star, we like select star from and the table's name. So we'll get all the fields and records. So pressing Ctrl Enter. Now you can see here it's all the records present with all the fields: customer ID, name, salary, city, country. Now if we want to retrieve particular fields, columns, like I want customer ID and the name and country only. So what I'll write removing the star, customer ID, comma customer name, comma country. Now pressing Ctrl Enter. So you can see that only those set has been returned which we require: customer name, ID and country. Now if we want to get annual means annual salary is already given. Now if we want to retrieve monthly salary of an employee, what we'll do, we'll remove country. So what we'll do, we'll write employee annual salary divided by 12 and we'll name it as monthly salary as alias. Now pressing Ctrl Enter. Now what it has returned, it has returned customer ID, customer name and monthly salary of each employee as alias. I have used monthly salary. Now taking another example, like if we want already existing field named as something different, so what I'll write, employee annual salary as annual salary. Now pressing Ctrl Enter. So what it has returned, ID, name, monthly salary as well as annual salary. So now we'll move on to the next part where we'll learn about clauses. So the first clause we will learn about is where clause. Where clause is used to retrieve particular set of records which satisfy the condition given by you. So select where let's say salary of an employee is greater than 1 lakh. Now pressing Ctrl Enter. So it has returned that set of records that are satisfying our condition. that their salary must be greater than 1 lakh. So all these employees are the result of this condition. Like if we want to apply multiple conditions, what we can do, like I want all those employees who are earning more than 1 lakh and are from India. So country is equals to India. Now pressing Control Enter. So two employees are there who are earning more than 1 lakh are from India. So this is how you can apply multiple conditions. Like instead of and, if you use or, so either the employee is earning more than 1 lakh or residing in India. Now you can see that the result differ because of the condition you change. So this is how you can retrieve particular set of records from the data using where condition. So the next clause which we learned is order by clause. So order by clause is used to arrange data. So what we do to arrange data, we write order by country, pressing Control Enter. Now all those employees that are from Germany comes at top, then India, then USA. So this is how it is arranged, and you can see that 1964. So if I want to arrange that customer ID should be arranged as well, like it should be in order 1469, or according to the salary that who earns more in Germany. So what you can write is order by comma and then salary as well. Now pressing Control Enter. So now the employee who is earning less in Germany will be at top, means it is now arranged country wise as well as salary wise. So you can see all those from Germany is the top, and then India, then USA, and they are arranged in according to the salary. So this is how you can use order by clause to arrange your data, as well as in default it arranges in ascending order. Like if you want to arrange in descending order, like I want that USA should be top and then India, then Germany. So what you write, we write DESC, which means in descending order. Now pressing Control Enter. So you can see that USA is at top. Now it has arranged the records in descending order. So the next clause which we will learn is group by clause. Group by clause is used to group records with the common thing in the records. So here I want count, I'm using a function count, customer ID, and then country, then group by country. So what it will return, it will return the number of employees working from these countries. So 4 employees from Germany, 4 from India, and 2 from USA. Now if we want to apply a condition over a group, like I want only those employees that are from USA, I want to achieve the number of employees working from India. So what we can do, we use having clause. Having clause, and we write the condition. So count of customer IDs should be less than say 4 or less than 3. So pressing Control Enter. So you see that only 2 employees are working from USA country. So this is how you can apply condition to retrieve particular group. Now you'll be thinking that we can use where clause here as well, but we cannot, because where clause is used for normal conditions, whereas having clause is used to apply condition over the groups. we cannot use having clause for normal conditions. We have to use where conditions there. So this is how you can use group by clause and apply condition using having clause.